Well, this one's going to be that to do with the filters, the fine tuning and noise reduction and palettes. Right. If you've got there's different options here. So if you've got background from ground glow or light pollution somewhere, you can click on that and get rid of any background noise. That'll improve that problem. If your image has not been auto stretched already, you can override that and switch it on. This one again, if you've not done your palettes already, you've say imported an image from somewhere else, you can do palette adjustments from here. You can't do pixel mass because, I say, it uses a different formula. It needs 3 different images, so it can't do that unless you've got 3 images already loaded in. I'll show you Signal Slip later on. If you've got an M42, look at the manual. If you've got overexposed areas, it will actually lower the glow in the middle of an object, like M31 or M42. It made you glow in the middle, decrease the glow. This option allows you to use masks, so it protects the light areas with all the detailing, but less mask in the dark areas, so you can apply more noise reduction to the darker areas, which I tend to use. Again, if your image is really noisy, you can actually increase the noise level. It's not too bad today, so I put it on number 1. I'll do colour smoothing out, so it gets mixed. Some of the colours come out speckly, so it smooths the colours into a more normal, natural look. Star reduction. This one actually, if you've got a crosshair, if you've got a mirror telescope, and it gives you like a spider effect. If you cross the screen, horizontal or diagonal, do different star patterns for that one. But mine's just round stars, so I'll do a star reduction. I won't sharpen it. I might sharpen it later. Okay, so that let it get on with it. You can undo the actual options if you're not happy with them. Reapply different settings. So you can zoom in, look at different areas. What we can do is Control Z and undo. I'll just turn the actual filter view off. See what it was like before. Control Y to redo again. Let's smooth that out. Reduce the stars slightly as well. Quite happy with the results of that. What I'll do now is use the same function again, but I'm going to apply a smoothness, sorry, a sharpen. Script. Fine tune. This time I'm going to apply sharpen. I'm going to apply all the different fields at the same time just to sharpen. Control Z, Control Y. I quite like that, it's lovely quite nicely, not too extreme. That's basically it, I think. Now go to the next few scripts. Like I say, you can go to colour enhancement and background enhancement. Next few scripts, show those next.